Okay, so today I want to show you how to clean this Kawang hair right here and some of the tools that you will need to get the job done are scissors, a knife, this other knife, and a scraper. Okay, so to begin, what we're going to do is going to begin by cutting this off. Some people cut along the sides, they cut along, some people cut along the sides, they cut along here, and then they pull it out, they hold it and pull it out. I guess I'll do another video showing that, but for now I'm going to use scissors because this is much faster. So we cut out everything. Alright, oh, I didn't get that off. Yeah, so from here what we do is so effectively the scraper takes off some of the scales. Oh, something I forgot to do. No, this is something that you want to cut off. Some Kawang has it, some don't. That's why you want to make sure you have a sharp knife and be very careful, because a sharp knife can be very lethal, like life-threatening lethal. Okay, as you can see, my knife isn't that sharp. Don't make my mistake. Get you a sharp knife. So we'll try with this knife, because as I said, my knives aren't sharp. You get another knife. Well, yeah, so you want to get, so right now what I'm doing, I'm going against, because the scales go in this direction, so I'm scraping in the opposite direction. So when it comes to the head now, doesn't have scales as the rest, but it's mostly around the mouth area here. You will get some scales in this area here. Yes, so it's mostly in this area that you get the scales. Also forgot this area here as well. You can see it. You can see it. Yeah, okay. Autofocus is playing games with me right now. Alright, so should be about it. So for second pass, try with the knife, because sometimes the tool that you employ in the scraper might not get off everything, so you just, I mean, it might seem redundant, but just to ensure that all the scales are off this bad boy. Alright, so what we proceed to do now is we're going to cut from here, coming back all the way to the butthole. Okay, the butthole being this area here, this would be the butthole. So start cutting. So here is where the fins are, so you get off. Okay, get that split here. Now what you want to do here is push your fingers in between here and try to get the mouth open from here. Cut this out. My knife is dull. Okay, so you hold somewhere here. Take all that out. Right? That was a relatively clean tick, so you congratulate yourself. But don't do what I just did, put all the tools in into the basin. So a little bit of this bad boy is almost ready to be put into a seasoning and then a frying pan. Just need to get this marrow part out here. But what would be very helpful in a time like this is if you have a hose, you could pass and spray that in. Okay. See, different, much. Yeah, I dare to concur. Do you concur?